Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can get bot lobbies in Fortnite, but before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Fortnite Game App on your PC and make sure your account is signed into it. So as you guys know, there used to be some bots that we would add to our lobby. So these bots were used to get into bot lobbies, but unfortunately Epic Games bashed these bots, and these bots don't work anymore. So I've tried multiple bots, and there were some bots and they were working for like 2 days and they got disabled by Epic Games again. So these bots, things just don't work. While teaming up with those bots, you will get a message saying, "We are sorry, but matchmaking is no longer supported at this time." So these bots just can't get you in bot lobbies. So it's just a waste of time to use these bots. So the real question is how you can get bot lobbies in Fortnite now. So all you need to do is you have to create a brand new account and you have to join your alt account from your main one. But the thing is, you should have another device on which you can use your alt account. When you join your alt account, you will be able to get into bot lobbies, but make sure that your alt account stays on level 1. If it passes level 1 or it goes to level 2 or 3, it won't get you into bot lobby. So it's very important that it stays below level 2. So that's all you need to do. You just have to join your alt account and you have to ready up and make sure you leave the game from your alt. Once you enter the game, that's all you need to do. And that's the only possible way to which you can get bot lobbies. That's how you can get bot lobbies in Fortnite. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.